to Minneapolis and all those harmed by oppression. Yeah, here to offer prayers. Here to offer prayers. Taking in the silence, offering prayers. This is about the closest I can get to the water because it's really biting chilling, and I haven't plowed down there yet. So, rituals and devotion, witches, let's get to work. Let's get outside. Let's alchemize the energies in the air. Shift our thinking patterns. Resistance, resilience. And if you need some community support, Friday we have Tara Nieves with the breathwork. Sunday we had the invoke immersion, where it's all about clearing, consecration, connection, and what seeds are we planting this year as we enter the year of the horse. And Monday we had the full moon vibrational healing gathering. Join us. I also have one-on-one sessions available. It's important to support these small businesses so we can stay in business during these times. It's really important. Those of us that are trying to make a difference, and it impacts all the community work we're doing. And now I have to go back and help my neighbors shovel out. And but yeah, I'm here to support. Prayers for I release the pressure, I allow the flow, I release the pressure, I allow the flow, I am remembering, I am remembering, I am remembering, I trust the flow, I am supported, I trust the flow, I am supported, I trust the flow, I'm grieving right now, I am grieving right now, I am grieving right now, I trust the flow, I trust the flow. Be kind to each other, be a good neighbor.